Just tap the camera to start your journey toward total clarity. Choose a photo of any product label from your gallery. One click to analyze, and the AI goes to work immediately. The results are in. Lay's American-style chips score a low 3 out of 10. You get a full breakdown of the health risks and the nutritional impact. Explore every detail, from environmental ethics to dietary lifestyle fits. The scanner even uncovers hidden oils and potential packaging deception. See the long-term effects on your health and daily habit impact. It's scanning every ingredient, toxin, and marketing claim in real time. Complex data becomes clear, actionable insights for your family. Read the final verdict to see if it's truly worth the cost. Don't just read the label, know the truth with Scale Value AI. Need it in another language? Instantly translate the full report to your preferred tongue. Ever wonder what's actually hiding in your favorite snacks? Meet the Product Transparency Scanner by Scale Value AI.